Hi guys, welcome to my channel Jobs Tuber. Guys, today the December 6th and the GATE exam is going to held in the first week of February. So GATE exam will start from the first week of February. So very less number of days still remain, and many guys maybe feel tenseful or stressful for how to crack the GATE exam with maximum number of marks, how to score well marks in GATE. So they may be very tense related to exam. So for them I am going to explain in this video about how to score 45 to 50 marks in GATE with 25 important topics by selecting 25 important topics from the very wide syllabus of GATE instrumentation paper. So in this video I will explain related to exam all things. Please watch the video till its end. So here I am wrote 30 days challenge. Means if the candidate is very serious about preparation, and if he sit it even if in 30 days he can will complete all the 25 topics very well in the 30 days. 30 days is enough for him, so he can score maximum number of marks by studying all those 25 very important topics, 25 to 28 topics. So this video is not for topper also, because I wrote this because this video is definitely not recommended for toppers, because they already prepared well and wanted to score maximum 70 to 80 to 90 marks in exam. So this video is only for those who want to score average marks around 45 to 50 marks. Let's see. Guys, this video is helpful for many BTech instrumentation candidates also who not yet started their preparation but want to start preparation from now onwards seriously and want to score maximum number of marks in exam by preparing very well for exam. At the same time, this video is also useful for the electrical engineering graduates and electronics and communication graduates, because from this 2021 GATE exam, the IIT allowed other stream graduates to opt the other streams as their second papers. Like if the electrical engineering the electrical engineering can opt instrumentation paper as second paper, so he can give exams, both two exams. He is allowed to give two exams. One is electrical engineering paper, here means his core stream paper. At the same time, he can also give instrumentation paper if he interested. So two papers marks he get, and he will get both opportunities from the GATE score. At the same time, EC graduates also eligible for applying instrumentation, or many EE and EAC graduates also applied for instrumentation paper. So for them also as second paper in GATE 2021 exam. So this video is also helpful for them. Guys, my sincere request to all of you is please subscribe my channel for government jobs related more important news and important tips daily and frequently. And guys, at the same time, I am doing videos on GATE exam from now onwards, means how to score maximum number of marks by selecting very important topics in the given syllabus. At the same time, in next videos I will try to cover GATE EE, civil, mechanical, CS, EC papers also. Instrumentation EE paper I am doing by my own, because I have already given E and instrumentation paper in my BTech days and scored well also. So with that knowledge I am preparing this. But for regarding civil and mechanical and CS EC papers, I will try to consult my friends. At the same time, I will try to consult the GATE rankers on social media and try to get knowledge from them regarding these papers, and will upload a video related to that papers. So guys, in the instrumentation GATE paper, the syllabus is very wide and very huge. Around 250 plus topics is given from 10 sections, means 10 section 200 plus topics is there. But if you study all those 200 plus topics from now onwards, you can't complete that syllabus, and you will get nothing ultimately except confusion and tension. So for that I am going to filter all those 250 plus topics, 200 plus topics, and suggest the most important 25 topics from that 200 topics, which are enough to crack 45 to 50 marks in the GATE. So let's start. If first of all, starting from engineering mathematics. In engineering mathematics, the two topics are very enough to score maximum number of marks, that is matrices and vector equation. Please try to practice more number of questions and try to understand the concepts regarding matrices and vector equations, because minimum 3 to 5 questions can expect from these two topics. At the same time, sometimes you also get the questions from differential equation, maximum, minimum, but it has huge syllabus. If you have enough time, please try to practice those questions. Otherwise, please, these two topics is enough to get 3 to 5 marks in mathematics. To solve 3 to 5 questions. So marks maybe 6 or 7 or even 5 marks also can come from these topics. So guys, these two topics is enough for 30 days preparation plan. And next come to analog electronics. In this the most important topics is op amp. This is the very important topic, because minimum 3 to 5 minimum 3 questions every year came in the last year analysis. 1 mark question is 1 to 2 questions came from 1 mark, and 2 mark questions are 2 to 3. I mean, sorry, minimum 3 not, it's minimum 4 questions every year come from op amp, mean operational amplifiers, whether ideal op amp related circuit questions. So please try to understand the concepts of op amp and try to practice more and more number of questions from this topic. At the same time, this topic is also very important: diode, led, photodiode and diode, because minimum from these topics also we can expect 3 to 4 questions from these topics. Diodes, LEDs and photodiode, diode problems come from these topics. So these two topics also enough for analog electronics. When it comes to digital electronics, for digital electronics also 3 topics is enough to prepare in 30 days preparation. That is number system and base conversions, like binary to decimal, decimal to hexadecimal, right, hexadecimal to 8 base. So these are very important topic. Minimum we can expect 1 to 2 questions can expect from this topic. At the same time, try to cover this topic also: Boolean algebra and expression. Boolean algebra and expression questions come every year. Minimum 2 to 3 questions can expect. Minimum of 3 questions can expect, or can go up to 4 to 5 questions also. Means he will give one gate diagram, like NAND, NOR gates, and he will ask in the options the expressions. So very important topic. At the same time, please try to cover this also: ADC and DAC, analog to digital converter and digital to analog converter. We can get questions from this topic also, like time to frequency type conversion. So we can get 2 to 3 questions from this topic also. Please try to cover the 3 most important topics from digital electronics in 30 days preparation. Let's come to the electrical circuit. In this electrical circuit, the most important topic is network theorem. We can expect 1 to 2 questions from network theorem. Either DC and AC both study well DC and AC also. So understand the concept and practice maximum number of questions from this network theorem, like maximum transfer power, Thevenin theorem or Norton's theorem circuits. This kind of questions came. So 1 to 2 questions come from this topic. Reciprocal theorem also. These are around 7 theorems is there. So please try to understand the concepts of this theorem and try to cover maximum number of maximum number of questions from this topic, network theorems. At the same time, the next topic is resonance and selectivity. We also get the question from this topic also, like Q factor. He will ask Q factor, inductance. Sometimes he also asks selectivity and at the same time Q factor questions also come. At the same time, 3-phase circuits also, the questions come from 3-phase circuits also. RLC circuit, series and parallel. Minimum 1 to 2 questions can expect from this combined topics: 3-phase circuits and RLC circuits, series and parallel circuits, RLC. At the same time, power relation in AC circuit. So we can expect 1 to 2 questions from this also. One question. So around 5 topics is very important in the electric circuits. So try to cover these 5 topics in 30 days preparation. When it comes to measurement and instrumentation subject, these 5 topics are very important. One is DC and AC bridge. These are the very important topic. Minimum one we can get 2 to 3 questions from this also. DC and AC bridge, one two must questions come from this topic. Sometimes he give Wheatstone bridge circuit, and problematic questions come from the Wheatstone bridge. At the same time, sometimes he asks to find the capacitance value from the Maxwell LC bridges. So please try to study the concepts of DC and AC bridge, and try to practice maximum number of questions from these topics, from this topic AC and DC bridge. At the same time, the next important topic is standard deviations, limiting errors. So we can expect one question also from this topic, standard deviation errors. At the same time, try to study all measurement devices, basic information like thermometer measures watt, Kelvin's double bridge measures watt, whatever you found in the electrical and electronics measurements, whatever the measurement devices you found in the syllabus, please try to get the basic knowledge about all those, like around Pirani gauge is used to measure water, strain gauge is used to measure water. So this type of questions frequently comes in the GATE exam. So try to get the basic knowledge about the measuring devices given in the syllabus of electrical and electronic measurements and instrumentation. At the same time, question will come from the piezoelectric. This is the very important topic, piezoelectric effect. We can get 2 to 3 questions, 2 questions minimum, or about sometimes he give 1 mark question 1 and 2 mark question 1. Sometimes even give 2 questions from 2 marks questions also regarding piezoelectric effect. At the same time, Hall effect questions also come in GATE exam. So this study well these 2 topics also. Now this is also very important topic, strain gauge. We can expect 2 questions from this topic also, strain gauge. So we get 3 to 5 marks from 3 to 4 marks from strain gauge topic also. So this topic is enough for measurement preparation. Now come to control systems. In control system, block diagram and signal flow graph, these 2 topics are very important. So practice well these 2 topics. You can complete very well in less number of time, because this is the basic concepts of the control system. Next we come to steady state error and transient response. This is also very important. Routh-Hurwitz equation, you can get 1 question, expect 1 question from this. Now these 3 topics, these 3 are very important concepts, Bode plot, Routh-Leakey and history. You will get the 2 marks question from these 3 topics. At the same time, the stability and the lead lag compensation and stability, this is also very important concept. So read the concept of this compensators, PID controllers and compensators, lead lag compensator, lead compensator, lag compensator, lead lag compensator. You can expect 1 to 2 questions from this also. And finally, the state variable analysis, this is also the very important concept. You can expect 1 question from this concept also. So this 6 topics is enough for control system in 30 days preparation. And when it comes to signals and systems, also have 6 topics, that is Laplace transform, continuous time signals and systems, Fourier series and Fourier transform, and discrete time signal. This is also very important, Z transform and discrete time signal and systems. So these 6 topics is enough in 30 days preparation. So this is the important topics, guys. Around 26 to 28 topics is there. So if you study, understand and practice this mentioned 28 topics, you can easily get 35 to 45 marks out of 85 marks. And remaining what you have to get is, you have to get around 8 to 10 marks in the general aptitude. You must know about the general aptitude syllabus, and you already have some little bit knowledge in general aptitude. So you can even do 5 to 8 you can even do 3 to 5 questions easily in the 10 questions of general aptitude. So if you get at least even 8 to 10 marks in general aptitude, and if you study well the mentioned topic, you will get 35 to 45 marks. So ultimately you will get around 45 to 50 marks easily with the proper preparation in the last 30 days. Even in the last 30 days, if you will get the 45 to 50 marks by preparing very well and preparing work hardly. So guys, I will give analysis, the how many marks from I mentioned topics, how much marks it had in the previous papers. From I mentioned topic, if I talk about Gate 2020. 1 mark question came from the mentioned topic. Around 20 questions came, and 2 mark questions are 15. So totally 50 marks came from this mentioned topics, that what I mentioned, 25 to 28 topics. From that mentioned topics, around 50 marks came out of 85. And if you at least got if at least 8 to 10 marks if done from GA section, easily 60 plus marks, you around 60 plus marks can easily get in 2020 paper. In 2019 analysis, 1 mark question from I mentioned topics, around 16 questions came, and 2 marks questions came around 14. So totally 44 marks came from the mentioned topics of 26 to 28 mentioned topics. So 55 plus marks can easily get if you do that mentioned topics and practice well that mentioned topics, and 8 to 10 marks from GA section. Gate 2018 analysis, 1 mark questions came 10, 2 mark questions came 15. So totally 40 marks came from the mentioned topics, and ultimately 48 to 50 marks can easily get with that preparation. Gate 2017 analysis, 1 mark question came 10, 2 mark question came 13. So totally 36 marks came from the mentioned topics, 26 to 28 topics, 36 marks came. So 44 to 46 marks can easily get. Gate 2016, 1 mark questions came 15, 2 mark questions 15, 45 marks totally came from the mentioned 25 to 28 topics. So can easily get 53 to 55 marks. Gate 2015 analysis, 1 mark question came 10, 2 mark question came 11. So 32 marks came from the mentioned topic, at least 8 to 10 marks if you done from GA section, totally will can be 40 to 42 marks. So this is the video. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and comment in comment box if you have any doubt related to exam. And please subscribe my channel for more important and interested news related to government jobs and government jobs exam preparation. Thank you guys.